Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, as I was asking, the complete Jahan Agarwal, complete rotation. Jahan Agarwal left. Mohit, good morning. Mohit, good morning. Jahan Agarwal, good morning. Turn on your cameras, please. Anushka, turn on your camera. Rudra Chacharia, turn on your camera, please. If I am saying that the complete rotation of any object makes how many degrees?
360.
Yes, and Mohit, complete rotation. How many degrees? Turn on your mic and tell me. Jahan Agarwal, complete rotation, how many degrees?
360 degree.
And 1/4 rotation, please write in the chat box. 1/4 rotation. 1/4 rotation, how many degrees? Yes, Karnav. Karnav, turn on your camera, bacha.
Ma'am, here
Yeah.
is network issues. That's why my camera is
Every
not on.
day, every day, Karnav, you have network
No,
issue.
no, ma'am.
In all,
I am at my sister's house.
but from last few days, I'm listening that you saying that I have network issue.
Ma'am, I'm going at Sunday at my house.
Okay. So Karnav, can you tell me if I do 1/4 turn of any object, so how many degrees I'm rotating that object?
Good morning, ma'am. My mother wants to talk to you. Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
30 degree. Ma'am, 30
Wait, look.
degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, I had sent you the mail of ascending and descending order
Uh-huh.
in that
No,
fractions. Please send me the.
I
I
have
had,
not received mail.
ma'am, I had sent you yesterday. Please check and receive me
Just
the.
please send me again. Maybe by mistake it is not there. Okay, can you please send me again, ma'am?
Okay, I will send you again, ma'am.
Just because I need the mail because of date and the day, which day he has missed the class. Okay,
He
ma'am.
has attended the class, but he
We
can't
have not
understand that
understood the
topic.
topic. Okay.
So I want the recording so he can understand it again.
Yeah, so better send it again, the mail, because I have not received in my mailbox.
Okay, ma'am. I had
No
sent
problem.
the worksheet of that topic on which date I received the worksheet.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, Karnav, I was
Ma'am.
asking. Yes, Karnav, I was
Yes,
asking.
ma'am, 30 degrees. In the chat box, I send the answer.
Hi, how 30-degree, bacha?
Ma'am,
This
90.
90 degree. If you are rotating here, it's 90 degree because you are dividing the complete circle into 4 parts, and
90
each
degree.
part will be 90 degree. You are dividing the complete circle into 4 parts. So if your object is here and if you are doing 1/4 turn, means you are rotating it 90 degree.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
again, if you are doing next, dhyan chale, dhyan, if you are rotating is half a turn में कितने degrees का rotation हुआ? ध्यान, एकांश, half a degree. Oh, sorry, half turn. How many degrees?
Yes. Ma'am, can I say? 90 degree.
No, those who are saying 90 degrees wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes.
180 degree.
Akash, you got it now?
180
Half a turn.
degree.
Akash, you're not able to listen me?
180 degree.
Can someone speak with Akash because it seems that he is not able to listen me?
Ekans ma'am is calling you.
One and Priya, everyone is joining late. Many of the students have joined the class late. And every day I am noticing this, the students are joining class late. Grade 5 students are joining late. 4 minutes already passed. Now still we are 23, including me.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, please. Half a turn, how many degrees? 180 degrees. Anya Mittal, 3/4 turn or 3/4 turn. It is the same thing. या तो 3/4, 1/4 क्या होता है? 1/4. जब 3 quarters मिलाते हैं तो 3/4 बनता है. 3/4 means how many degrees?
3/4 means
360.
Complete is 360 degree, Lakshya.
Ma'am,
Here when it will reach.
ma'am, it would be
Anushka, wait, let Anya speak.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anya.
260 degree.
No, 90 plus 90 makes 180 plus 90 makes how many degrees?
Ma'am, can I say?
180 में 90 प्लस करोगे तो कितने डिग्रीज होगा?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, only now she is switch off. Anya, yes, 180 plus 90 is how much? Taking a lot of time. Nishika, 3/4 turn. How many degrees?
Ma'am, 3/4 turn will be
Ma'am, can I say?
degree.
Ma'am, can I say, please, ma'am? Can I say?
The students, those who don't know, who will deal with them? Nishika,
Ma'am,
what
I
you told?
can tell.
Nishika, what you told, bacha?
Ma'am, I told 240 degrees.
How, bacha? 240 degree. Tell me, na, bacha. If I am clearly giving you 1/4 is 90, half is 180,
270
90
degree.
it is
270.
270 degree. And you can find it in this way. You have learned in the fraction, no? 3/4 of 360 degree. Find it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then the full turn will be 360 degree. Got
And
it?
this process is such a process is.
Okay, if I am now, we will learn about, again revise about the clockwise and the anti-clockwise. If we are rotating any object clockwise, which side we will rotate it, students?
Ma'am, right side.
Ma'am, right side.
I am holding this marker here. I am rotating it this side. So which side?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. And this is anti-clockwise, which turn?
270.
90 the degree hai, bacha. I'm not asking degree, which turn it is.
2/4.
Quarter.
1/4.
My dear, 1/4. Same है ना, चाहे इधर जाओ clockwise 1/4 होगा या anti-clockwise 1/4 होगा. It shows that you children are not practicing at home.
Ma'am, quarter turn.
Yes, 1/4 you can say,
Quarter
you can say
turn.
1/4. And now
1/4
again I am doing the rotation.
Half
This
a
is
turn.
half a turn. Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
And this is
Anti-clockwise.
3/4
yes,
turn.
3/4 turn.
3/4 turn, anti-clockwise, and this is full turn.
Anti-clockwise.
Yes. Now I am rotating it towards the right side. Which turn?
Clockwise 1/4 turn.
Clockwise 1/4 turn.
Clockwise one half. Clockwise half a turn.
Clockwise half a turn.
Clockwise, everyone is shouting.
Clockwise 3/4
Yes, very good. But everyone is shouting. In this, what happens is no half of give the wrong answer, and that is also will be okay with the rush. Children, if you know the answer, better write in the chat box. Will be very nice. Vedi, I am starting from here, and this turn is which turn? First of all, it's clockwise or anti-clockwise? मैंने इसको right side में move कराया है. Right side movement is the clockwise.
Clockwise.
Got it, Vedi? Vedi, start practicing, bacha. And Vedi and Dhyan Chile. Sitting in the class and not answering is not sufficient, I'm telling you. Please. Migdad, you know when you have joined 9 minutes late. What is the use of coming in the class then? Ayush, your camera is off. Vivan Balchandani, always keep camera off. Always. Jahan Agarwal, always keep camera off. So we have revised the degrees also, that on 1/4 90 degree, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise, 1/4 पे 90 degree ही होगा. चाहे clockwise हो चाहे anti-clockwise हो. But clockwise right side पे move करेगा और anti-clockwise left side पे move करेगा. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today we are going to learn about the 1/3 turn. 1/3 turn. Now 1/3 turn of 360 degree. Who will tell me how many degrees will come in the 1/3 of 360 degree? Today we will do 1/3 and 1/6. Please tell me 1/3 of 360 degree.
Ma'am, only 3 parts.
Yeah, only 3 parts, but 1/3 of 360 degree कितना degree आएगा?
Ma'am, can I tell?
280 degrees.
120. 120.
Who is saying 280 degree? Rudra Jajaria, it will be 200. Find out. No, you all know the method. Why you are lazy? Why you all are not doing the practice?
120.
Only one child knows. 1/3 of 360 degree is 120. Suppose I have started the object movement from here, the clockwise.
Can I tell
There's the
how
120
I
degree.
got it out?
Yes. 3 parts of 360 means 3 times 120 plus 120 plus 120 makes the 360 degree. Got it? Yes or no, students? Please don't sit.
Yes. 360 degree.
Yes.
ma'am.
If I am again now telling 1/3 of 360 degree. Now if I started the movement of the pen from here, where my 1/3 will come? Can anyone tell me? Because this you know 90 degree. This you know 180 degree.
Ma'am,
Where it will come?
Ma'am, it will come in the middle of 90 degree and 180 degree.
Very good. Yes. It will come here. It will come in the middle of 180 degree and 90 degree. यहाँ से rotation start होगा तो वो यहाँ आएगा. Got it? इसका 1/3 जो है वो यहाँ आएगा. Which is 120 degree.
Yes, ma'am. 120 degree.
Now if you keep the protractor here and measure the degree, you will able to see this angle will be 120 degree.
Yes, ma'am. It's properly right.
If you are very much clear with the angles, you will able to find out this is 120 degree.
And this is in this chapter, it is based on the angles.
Yes. Now you have done 1/3 is 160 degree. And how many 1/3 makes the whole? Students, Khevna.
3 1/3.
How many? Trisha, how many 1/3? Mohit, mute your mic. Mohit, how many 1/3 make whole? Mohit, how many 1/3 make whole?
1/3.
How many? कितने 1/3 parts को बना के हम whole बनाएंगे, complete बनाएंगे? We have done in the fractions. Denominator को देखना है. 3 1/3 make the whole. How many 1/4 make the whole?
Ma'am. 4.
How many one? Rahil.
4.
How many?
4.
How many 1/4?
4.
4. How many 1/6 make whole? There, how many 1/6 make whole?
6.
6 because the denominator is 6. So if you see the denominator, that many parts will make the whole.
Yeah.
Got it, everyone? Now I want to show you something on the PPT. Are you all able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which figure is there on the screen?
And circle.
Triangle.
Circle. Circle is the
Triangle.
360 degree, but inside the circle. So we will rotate the triangle only. No, we will not rotate the circle. Yeah, the figure which is inside the circle, we will rotate that. Right. I am going to show you the PPT based on 1/3. So when you see, please mute yourself, students. Someone mic is on and the voice is coming from the back. Thank you. if I rotate this triangle, if I'm rotating from here, because the origin point is here, मैं यहाँ से rotate कर रही हूँ, that's why I make the arrow. Okay, the full, this is full turn. If I rotate it to the 1/3, will the position change, students? Will the triangle change the position?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do in your notebooks.
Yes,
Do in your notebooks and try to tell me. Do make in your
No,
notebooks.
ma'am.
Make in your notebooks. My dear, either it no, either yes hoga. But do practically in the notebooks and show me that how you are rotating it. Is it changing the position or it is changing the shape? Shape is going to change when the 1/3 is happening.
And rotate what?
The figure is given here on the screen.
No, ma'am. It will not have any change. I think.
Please do and show me
The
practically.
second point will.
Please show me practically in the notebooks that you have done. Rotate this point will go here when 1/3 will come here. Return no 1/3, then 2/3 will come here in between the 180 and 270. Yes. Who did this? Anushka. Okay. Anushka, if you are rotating on the 1/3, is the triangle position is changing? Point is changing. It's changing or no?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, please.
And it will be changing because the arrows will be getting in different sides.
No, arrow we don't want to see. Arrow is just for the origin point. We need to see the points. Here, no? Corners. You need to see the corners. Will the corners change? Will the position of the triangle change when you come to the 1/3? 1/3 means in between 90
Ma'am,
and
I
180
know
के बीच में.
Excuse
Now
me,
I'll tell you. Yes.
ma'am. When you see on your screen by the 1/3 degree, then it will be the proper rectangle.
Yes, it will not change. It will be the same. Okay, and I'll give you a hint why it will be the same. Because this figure, wait a minute, Anushka. Yes,
It looks in 1/3.
it looks same on the 1/3.
No, ma'am.
No,
All are
my dear,
different.
no, but you are doing in the different way. Just check करो कि ऐसे rotate करना है अगर आपको triangle को. Wait, I'll show you on the board.
Ma'am, I'm showing.
Ma'am,
Yes, right now the triangle is like this. Okay.
ma'am, 1 minute.
If it will rotate like this, point will come here. ये वाला point ये ऐसे ही दिखेगा ना जैसा अभी दिख रहा है. ये वाला point यहाँ आ जाएगा, ये shift होके यहाँ चला जाएगा. In which rotate, no?
Ma'am, it will happen only when the triangle is a proper triangle.
Yeah, and I will tell you one hint also. When the figure is a 3-sided figure or the figure is the sides are coming in the table of 3. 3-sided figures, 6-sided, 9-sided, 12-sided, they will be same on 1/3. Okay, understood? Everyone understood? When the figure is 3-sided figure or the figure whose sides are coming in the table of 3. If I say the flower which having 6 petals, will it be same on the 1/3? Yes, because it's having 6 petals. If the figure is having 9 petals, yes, it will also be same on 1/3 position. Why? Because it's coming in the table of 3. Got it, everyone? Now we will see more also figures. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will tell you. Students are joining, still they are joining.
Ma'am, it would be same as, ma'am, if we see this figure, so ma'am, this is also a point. So it formed a triangle.
Yes.
And it is forming a triangle here.
Yes, Lakshya? Yes, she had
Still
formed a
forming.
triangle.
Mama, I'm joining 2 IDs because I not see you.
Now,
If you present the screen, I cannot see you. I pin you, I not see you.
okay. So my dear, there is no problem. You better pin on my screen. And I am verbally only speaking. I'm explaining to you all. Now, if I show you more figures, if I show you this figure, how many sides it is having? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The star is having 6, no? Pointers. So
Yes,
will
ma'am.
it change on the
Yes,
1/3?
No, ma'am, it will not change.
Ma'am,
It will
because
not
it's
change.
having the sharps.
You can see the points are 6 points and it will not change in the 1/3.
Ma'am, I think it will not change in any of the turn.
Yes, it will not change. Now, the square, which is 4-sided figure,
Ma'am,
will it change on the 1/3?
Square
No, ma'am.
will become the diamond.
Ma'am,
Children, what you want to say, please write in the chat box. Yes or no? Square will change the position.
No.
Square will change the position. Yes, Migdad,
Change the
I already
position.
explained you the figure which is having 3 sides, 3 corners, or 6 corners, or 9 corners, or the number which is coming in the table of 9 or table of 3. That figure will not change. Other figure will change. Got it now?
It will this
But
in
how will a
the
square change? I don't understand. How will
Now
a
you
square
understood.
change?
How will change matter? It will come to the
Practically.
1/3 when you rotate it. You do practically, bacha. Because right now
Ma'am,
I am
it-
not able to rotate this figure.
ma'am,
See,
Ma'am,
Anushka
it
is showing. Anushka is practically showing how it will look.
Yeah, it looks like a diamond.
ये ऐसे change होगा ना, rotate होगा तो 1/3 में. You do practically, no? You try. As I already told you, draw these figures. You try. The next is, which figure is this? Yes, Daria.
Ma'am, right
Yes,
now
Daria.
I was not able to speak, and now
Okay.
I have wear headphones. I mean earphones. That's why my mic is not working.
Okay. Which figure is this? Which figure is this? Pentagon. Will it
Pentagon.
change the position on 1/3?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a 5-sided figure, it will change on 1/3, 2/3,
Yes.
and then on the full, it will come on the original position. Got it, students? Now, okay. Now open your textbooks. And 1/6. Now, if I tell you about the 1/6, so 1/6. Tell me what is the 1/6 of 360 degree? 1/6 of 360 degree, students.
60 degrees.
Very good. Only few students are alert in the class. 1/6 of 360 degree is 6 1 6, 6 6 36 is 60 degree. So where will the 60 degree will fall? If you divide in this way, where will be the 60 degree will come?
ma'am, between the starting point and the between 90 degrees.
Very good. Only one child is paying attention. Am I audible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So if you start from here and your object will come here on the 60 degree. If you move like this and clockwise 60 degree is this, anti-clockwise 60 degree is this. Got it, everyone? Anti-clockwise 1/4 turn, 60 degree is 1/6 turn is this. Now we are doing 1/6 turn, not 1/4 turn. We are doing 1/6 turn, and 1/6 turn will be 60 degree, and 60 degree will come in between the original position and the 90 degree. Here also, when you go anti-clockwise, the original position is this, and the 90 degree starts from here. So if you move anti-clockwise, it will be here 1/6 turn. Got it, everyone? And
Which
how
way?
many 1/6 make the full?
I have a doubt.
Yes, yes. Ask.
Ma'am, if we do 60 degree, then it will not come exactly in the middle in the 90 degree.
No, it will not come exactly in the middle. Because we are doing 1/6 turn. We are not doing 1/4 turn. Na? जब 1/4 करते 360 का तो exactly middle में आता वो 90 degree. But if you are doing 1/6 turn, it will be 60 degree.
No, ma'am, I'm saying in the middle of 90 degree and 0 degree. It will not come in the middle.
Yeah, it will not come in the middle. It will be like this. Okay, because it will be more than the half. No, more than half. 45 degree plus 45 degree makes the 90 degree. So it will be more than half, like this. Got it? Half of 90 degree is 45 degree. वो ऐसे बनेगा. But it should be more than half. इसमें भी ये, it should be more than half. यहाँ पर rotate होगा. Got it? And how many 1/6 make full turn? Students, how many Ekans? How many 1/6 make full turn?
6.
6. Yes. So now open your textbook, everyone. Lakshay, mute your mic, bacha. Lakshay, please. Is my another screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Textbook screen?
Yes, ma'am.
This page we have already done.
Yes.
Go to the next page. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Start doing. Draw what the following shapes would look like on 1/4 turn, half a turn. कैसे दिखेंगे ये shapes? Please do. I will see your textbooks. Please draw in the textbook only. And neatly draw with the pencil and scale, not roughly. Are you all doing? Yes or no, students? Please draw these figures on 1/4 turn. Please draw this in the textbooks. On half a turn पे कैसे दिखेगा? On 1/4 turn पे कैसे दिखेगा? Fast. Students done? I'm asking from you all, bacha done or not? Why
No,
Rudra
ma'am.
Master and Rudra Jazaria and Anushka raise their hands? Done, Vedi? Please show me your notebook. Show me your textbook fast. Vedi has left the meeting. I know many of you, let me take the attendance once again. So I have noticed that many of you start leaving the class before the time. There's still 6 to 7 minutes are there. Let me check your attendance once again. How all are leaving? Yes.
Tomorrow is class or not?
What is tomorrow, bacha? Tomorrow is class. Tomorrow is 4th Saturday. Tomorrow is class.
So there will be class.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sheet.
Show me, Rudra. Let me pin you. Okay. This is your square is not proper on the 1/4 turn and on half a turn. Your square is not proper.
Ma'am.
Your rectangle is proper. Your pentagon is not proper on 1/4 turn, and on half a turn it's proper. So draw pentagon again and draw square again.
Ma'am.
Yes. Show me Ekansh. Ekansh 1/4 is this and half is this. Square 1/4 is this and the half is this.
And the rectangle is a side.
Yes. Your triangle. Yes. Good, Ekansh. Good, Ekansh. Put it down.
Can I show?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Let me pin you. Let me pin you. Yes. Draw pentagon neatly, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Others are okay.
Don't, ma'am.
Both pentagon.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, yes, please. The last time, which child? Khush Ahuja. Yes, please show me. Yes, very good, Khush. Now I am going to show you the answer. No, now let's look here.
mine?
Later, please. Look here and match whether you are right or not. You can see here. You can see the triangle change on the 1/4, and then point is coming down on the half. Square is not changing on 1/4 also, and on
Ma'am,
half.
my turn is right.
Yes. So please check, and then we move to the next. Now, which of the following above shapes do not look the same on 1/4 turn? My dear, which shape will not look same on 1/4 turn? A or B?
Ma'am, the B one.
Why?
B.
Can you tell me why B1 will not?
D.
But why?
Ma'am, because the point will
Ma'am, B will
move
not
towards
same.
the right
B will look
side.
different.
Point of the B fan is green.
Yes, and in the A, this fan is color in the purple, but here in the B figure it is in green. So we say that it will not look same. Next, draw the shape after 1/3. After 1/3, how it looks?
Ma'am,
This
but the
this
question
is
is
the
which fan will look the same.
yeah. So first A will look the same, no? B will
Yeah.
not look the same. Now draw this shape after 1/3, and you can see here this is a triangle figure, and already I told you when it's a triangle, 1/3 पे triangle कैसा दिखेगा? It's a three-sided figure. It will look how? Students, answer me.
Ma'am,
Same. And how this will look shape after 1/3? Which
ma'am,
one?
it looks like a this.
It will look like this. So it will not look same. It will not look same. It will look like this, and the triangle will look same on the 1/3 turn. Now,
It looks like a find box.
hmm, can you see that this shape looks the same on 1/6 turn? Now, children, see it's a six-sided figure. It will look same on the 1/6 turn. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Look at the following shapes. Draw how they will look on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. These are the different shapes given here. So first is how many points are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will look same in the 1/3 and look same in the it will look different in the 1/6. So because internal jo hai triangle, वो अपनी position that changing the position. Got it, students? 1/3 में तो वो same दिखेगी because already we have learned. Who is speaking in between? Mute your mic, please.
English में तो कह दे.
Dan Dalal, please mute your mic. So it will look the same on the 1/3 because as I already told you, there are 6 points, and I told you the number which is coming in the table of 3 will be exactly same on the 1/3, but it will change in the 1/6 position. Then the flower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals it is having. It will be same in 1/3 and it will be same in the 1/6. So this way you can check this. Circle. Why circle is different? The last one is different in the 1/6. Can anyone explain me? Can anyone explain me why? Students, when I ask, you always keep silent. Yes, Priya, will you try?
Ma'am, it changes because it's looking more than half.
Yes, and you need to divide the figure into 6 parts. See, जब 1/6 करते हैं ना, हर फिगर को 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके देखो, and then you change it into the position. See, I'm zooming it and I'll explain you how. See, if the petals will change, dark part जो shaded part है वो change होगा, rotate होगा. And you try this practically. My saying is not enough for you all students. मैंने बोल दिया it's not enough. Yes, you need to try this practically. Come tomorrow and tell me. We will discuss more about this and tell me, ma'am, why it is not rotating and why it is rotating. I am going to send you 2 worksheets today, and I have not given the due date, so please submit it as soon as you complete it, because there are 2 worksheets today. Okay, based on yesterday's topic, based on today's topic, there are 2 worksheets, because I have not sent yesterday, right? So please do it. Okay, thank you, students.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.